Okay, so today I want you to play with pages. And so what we're going to do is in a few minutes, we're going to give you about 10 minutes to play around with pages and explore how it works. So you're going to click on this orange square with the white pencil on it and click on pages. Okay. You are going to start with a blank document. So if you want to do a blank document, you're going to go up here to the plus button and you're going to do blank. Anytime you want to add anything in pages, you're going to go up to this plus. So you can add photo, video, audio. You can add a whole image gallery if you want multiple pictures. Okay. You can add all kinds of things. You can add shapes, basic shapes, animals, objects. There's so many things to choose from. You can add charts, or you can add tables. Okay. So say I really want to have this picture of a horse in my image, but I don't like the silhouette. So I'm going to click on that horse and I'm going to come up here and touch the paintbrush. And then I can change that horse to a different color. I can make it have a shadow or a reflection. Okay, I can change the color to fill or a gradient or be an image of something in the background. I can do all kinds of things to it. I can add text. I can arrange it in a specific way. So anytime you want to change the image, you're going to press this paintbrush. And anytime you want to add something, you're going to press the plus. Okay, if you want to put it in your cloud, you can do it there. I'm going to go back to pages. Okay, but today I just want you to play. So for 10 minutes, you're going to create something that tells us a little bit more about what your virtual environment looks like. So I want you to create something that shows us what your virtual environment looks like at home. So you're going to have 10 minutes to play and add things. There's so much you can do with pages, so I really want to see what you can make that's different than anybody else's, and then we'll share them once we're done playing.